Monami Gabi restaurant and bar in front of the Bellagio. So we're going to have a dinner here tonight. So this is the start going in. We're going in now. We're going to the Monami Gabi restaurant and bar. So let's go. Let's join for us. Let us. So we already have a table there. So yeah, our table is all the way outside. Okay, I didn't see Larry there yet. Jan is there already. Yeah. Yeah. So look at this.
Rose, you got the view of your favorite hotel,
yes.
Bellagio.
Yeah, that's my place. You work over there? Yes, that's my place.
She sees the fountain every day, 365 days.
Yes.
Yeah,
Wow. Yes,
Monica
yes.
Gabi.
Yes, right.
First time to see
Yes,
it from
John.
here.
Yes, right, John? Wow, look at that. Look at the view. There we go.
Wala akong salamin. Wala akong salamin.
By the bottle? Yeah, this is by the glass, but let me go get the by the bottle.
What's your name? In 6 minutes, I think in, hi Diego. We at the Bellagio, guys.
Horse here, Larry, look.
So,
Horse to your durs.
so cocktails. I need to eat something right now. I already have the wine, so this French restaurant, baby. So what you gotta order, my love? So let me know, guys, what you're gonna order.
Probably I get fish.
Fish
And
again.
John gets steak again.
John, you want steak?
I might get fish.
That's your favorite. How about you, my dear love?
Get a hamburger.
Nice. Hi. You're here.
I know. Look at this. Hi. We are here right now, baby. Hi, guys.
They got a prime rib burger.
Prime rib burger.
Prime rib burger. Look
Now, can you order everything I want? Can you order everything I want? Can you order everything I want? Can you order everything I want?
Yes.
Alright.
I need a brownie.
We're gonna get drunk. Why? Last day, right? Last day, Las Vegas for It's a big difference. So look at this. Is that a Nate restaurant? You can see everybody walking in front of us.
And Beth is gonna be your server tonight. She'll be over in a little
We are
bit.
now at Paris.
But I can answer any,
We are like
I
in
can
the
answer any
Paris.
questions. We do have tonight a cream of mushroom as our soup of the day.
Wow, I like that one. Wow. Cream of mushroom, the soup of the day. Alright? Alright?
We have too much
Guys,
mushroom.
eat all you can, guys. Please enjoy your food.
Yes.
Oh my God! Look at us, Frank Love Party. This is the really party and love party. Wow,
I can read the menu. It's so tiny. Look.
it's okay. Get your eyeglasses. You make
I feel like my eyes like that.
Where's your eyeglasses?
Pasta tiger shrimp.
Okay. One for you. And how about you, Larry?
Look, it's coming.
How about you, Larry?
What
Hi.
do you get, John? What should I get?
Hi
What do you get?
everybody, we are here at the Monavi Bar and Restaurant here in Paris. So now, look at this. Look at this view in front of the restaurant here in Bellagio. Look at that. Look at the water show here in Bellagio. And we are waiting for our food. John, hello John. Hi Lorna. Hi.
So happy to be here.
Hi, right now. There we go. Yeah. So far so good.
Got front row seats.
Yes.
Front
Yes.
row seats.
Yes. Yes.
Hello,
Yes.
baby.
Yes. Yes.
Be happy.
Woo, be happy and be healthy and successful. There you go, guys. This is the really good location. Yes. Wow. Wow.
Like the music, honey. That's my dad.
Yeah. Yeah. Don't worry, every hour. So we stay here another hour. They're gonna start again for the
Yeah, we'll see
water
you next
pond
hour.
issue. Yes.
Larry's gonna dance, I think, next time.
You gotta dance, John. You gotta dance.
Fantastic. Thank you.
Yeah.
Next time you guys would like to drink?
You have like house wine?
Sorry?
House
Hi,
wine?
La. Hi, Lorna. Look, guys.
What do you have now?
House wine. It's wine and it's special.
I'll take a Cabernet.
Sure, I have a Bordeaux.
Bellagio.
Sure, ladies. Hide it. Sir, would you care for something to drink?
You need a colada but without alcohol.
No,
Yeah.
we don't have any frozen drinks.
Ah, no, frozen drinks.
I'll just have a Diet Coke.
Diet Pepsi?
Yes.
No, just order piña colada. Just order piña colada in the casino. Wow, look at this! You guys can enjoy this water fountain show in the Bellagio, and we are in the front of Bellagio right now in the Manami bar. Yeah.
Yeah, I think it's
Okay.
That's very fast.
John, what's your order?
I didn't order yet.
I would like to try the one you order right now.
I will
So,
order the Cavatelli pasta tiger shrimp.
oh, okay. Oh, we didn't
Okay,
have
we know what we want. She's gonna have a poulet foussé. And I'm gonna have the Bordeaux Superior.
Okay.
And she's gonna have. What are you gonna have?
I'm gonna get the Cavatelli pasta tiger shrimp. Pasta on that. Do you have it's just a Cavatelli. Okay. Sorry.
Steakles Bob.
That's what I ordered.
Yeah.
And which one did you order here? Gruyere, cheddar, like a cheeseburger.
Oh, yeah, check. And
What
does
did
it
you
come with
order,
French
Louis?
fries?
It does.
What did you order?
Yes.
John, you want to cook?
He ordered Chinese to you. Here is your order.
Right here.
Okay. We have the same.
The steak or the pasta? You said she'll have the same and she ordered at the same time, so I just like to clarify.
Steak Bob.
Same.
Rare as well?
Yes.
You want rare?
Yes.
So all three are getting the same?
Yes.
No.
Yes.
Getting the pasta and you're
Yes.
getting a burger.
Yes. I want the same. Yes. Thank you so much, honey.
Be patient to us.
Be patient to us. We're drunk.
Hi, Rose.
Hi.
I guess they
Hey.
don't give you bread.
Oh, no bread?
Yeah, they might.
I think you gotta ask.
I think it was still earlier.
It's great.
Yeah, we're gonna have our bread.
If you like it, you have to order it.
You have to order it next time.
Okay.
You want bread on top of your hamburger roll?
It's up to you.
No, I don't want any bread.
Do you guys want bread?
No.
She's so happy. You're so great.
Rose, this is your first time doing that stuff?
You should come here every week.
You live here. You should come here every week.
Work, Dad.
She's not working. Hey, Larry, you should treat her every week.
I do treat them.
That's that we say our food is coming right now.
Where's your drink, bro?
So,
Cheeseburger.
wow, looks so good. Yeah, that's one here. And what you got? Pasta. Yes. order. Alas dyan is si mine.
Okay,
The
take
first-
them up.
Thank you, my dear. Yes, thank you. I will.
Larry was cut off.
What you got, baby?
My dad was better.
Oh my God! What do you think for now? For the first bite, what do you think? Yeah. Very good, guys. This is front of Bellagio, guys. Here, the Bellagio fountain show. So far so good. We have a great time here. And this is the Paris. We are now in outside and Cosmopolitan. This is a really good location. Right? So this is my food. So it's it. It's it, guys. I am
Let's get back.
Let's get one. How was it? Good?
Let's get
Very
back.
good? Very, very good?
It takes 2 hands for Larry to handle his waffle.
Wow.
Prime rib burger, that's the best.
Okay.
This is steak au poivre, which is with pepper, from Mon Gabi. It's very French. My wife has a poulet foussé wine, which is French. I have a Bordeaux Superior, which is very French. Very tasty, very good. So you can enjoy your meal at Mon Gabi with friends and family. We
Excellent.
love you.
Thank you.
Cheers.
Look at that. Cheers. Cheers, honey. Cheers. Cheers, everybody. Wow. Beautiful, guys. While we're eating here in the Monabi, Paris, watching the
Good music.
water fountain show in front of Bellagio. Right. Right here. Look at that. Oh, wow. Wow.
Good thing in there. That's got sticks, isn't it?
Right, Lorna? Right? Wow. Yeah, that's a very nice view here. Yeah, I love it. I love it. You know that, guys? Look at, we're eating here in front of Bellagio water fountain show. Is that so fun? Oh my God. It's really a good, really very good night for us. beautiful. What a beautiful. Why I like that one. That's a beautiful. Yes, really good one. I'm having so much fun here. Oh my God, it's convenient. Every 30 minutes the Bellagio collection is here. Now we're still eating. There we go. Look at that lake of John. You see everything is clean.
Including the plate.
Oh my goodness, look at that. The food is so good.
Wonderful.
You see that? You see that? You see the plate? It's empty.
Hungry.
So Lorna,
I'm almost done.
almost done. And Larry, oh my goodness. And mine, because I'm busy doing video, but I'm gonna finish this one too. Alright guys?
Larry, I'll cook you the best steak.
Guys, this is very tender. This is rare, right?
Yeah.
This is rare. Look at this, very tender.
Very tender. It's delicious. The sweeter the meat, the sweeter the bone.
Very delicious. I love it too much. Look at this. And the location alone. Oh my God. Oh my God. Look at this. It's just so good. Very tender.
His name is Stu.
Very good.
You know why his name is Stu?
Yeah.
It's for stupid dog.
My God. Look guys. Look at my plate. It's so clean. I ate all. It means it's very, very good.
Yeah.
Oh my cheese.
Excellent.
Say it to me.
We're coming back again to Mon Gabi.
Rose, what did you do on your food? Where is it? It's empty. A while ago it's full.
Yeah.
And now it's empty.
Done.
We ate
you feel?
everything here.
So good.
Oh my God.
Good. Yeah.
That's Rose Bellagio. She worked over there. And now she's here. Watching in front of Bellagio. How lucky you are, girl. You're in